Hey guys, so my dad hung up this hammock, and right now I'm on it. It's pretty comfy. Watch this. It's pretty steady. You can shake it like this. It's pretty steady. If you look, it's connected to the tent. I'll show you better. See, it's connected to the tent. Also connected to the. So I hope you like my dad's hammock.
Yeah, I turned it on and heated up the pan, dried it out, and then oiled it up.
I just want to show you, look at this boat. See this boat? I would rate it 1 out of 10. I would rate it a 1. You would probably rate it a 10.
I think I got a little bit of ranch.
Bye.
That's it.